How to change walls from existing to demolished? That's the question. Hi, I'm Jonathan. I've been teaching Vectorworks for over 30 years now. I've got a community, and one of the new members on my community is asking the question, how do we change our walls from existing to demolished? I tend to use wall styles, but for existing walls, I often don't use styled walls for existing walls. But let me show you one of the things that I'd like to cover. On this plan, you can see that I've got my walls already drawn. These are my walls, and these are styled walls in a lot of cases. I've changed them to unstyled. If we want to change the style, that's easy. We can just go to replace, and we can change this from one style to another. And then I can edit that style. But that would mean that when I want to remove this wall and make it a demolished wall, I then have to go through all of those steps again. So let's have a look at why this wall doesn't change. When I change its class to demolish, why doesn't that wall change? So it's an unstyled wall, so the style's not controlling it. Let's look at the components. When I look at the component settings, you can see that I've assigned this wall component to a class. Now, the easiest way for me to do this is to put it on the object class. Click OK, and you can see it's changed the lines on the outside of the wall, but not the center. Let's go into my settings here. So by choosing wall class, you can then change the class of the wall, and that will change the settings inside here. So I'm going to remove the material, so it's got no material. I'm going to make all attributes by class, and then OK, and then OK again. And now you can see that the wall is displaying those attributes correctly. If I change this now to existing, so let's assign to selection, you can see that my wall has now got a solid fill, and it's white. So that's the answer, is to make sure that your components line up with what you want to do. So for example, in this wall here, if it's styled, I need to edit the style. I need to then go through here, change this to object class, edit that component so that it's got no material, because the material is controlling a lot of that graphic style. Change that to object class, have all of these as class fillings, have all of these as by class attributes, click OK, and OK again, OK. Now that's changed that wall. So if I style these walls, so these walls are unstyled, we're going to replace them with a style, which is 120 existing. And oh, I forgot that one. Let's do that one again. Replace, and that's styled. Now I can select walls, and I can say, okay, I want you to be demolished. And now it's demolished. So that's a really quick way to make those changes. This wall here can also be demolished. Now that's just one way to do it. Now the other way to do this is to use phasing. I'll put a link in the description to my phasing movie on my community, so you'll need to be a member to join it. But I'm also going to cover phasing in detail this year. So I'm going to write a manual for phasing. Watch out for that. Thanks for watching.